Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Welcome to video session. And you know that which chapter is going? Yes, correct. Chapter 4. We are in chapter 4. And I am very happy that in live classes, there are so many students are so attentive, they are responding me, they are just clear their doubt. Very good. Keep it up in this way. Okay, student? Now, shall we start today's session? That you know today date is 24th July 2020. You know all that. Okay. So, just take out your science book. Which book? Science book, because we are in science class. Okay, just take out your science book. You all are having your book? Yes, now? Yes. Now, this is your science session, and which chapter is going? Chapter number 4, reproduction in animals. So many students are asking, ma'am, which color of cover we should cover our books and notebook. Beta, just take your blue cover. You will cover with your science notebook book with blue color. Okay. So don't confuse about this. Which color we are going to cover your notebook or book? Sky blue color. Okay. Now, shall we start? Yes. So what we are going to do today? Yes, correct, my dear students. That we are going to do that. Define it. Answer the following question and hot question. Okay, but before starting this, I am going to revise what we have done in our live session and video session. Okay, so we have completed our in-text book exercise, keyword, book exercises. So today I will take a quick recap of these exercises. After that we will go through this. Okay, and listen very careful that you have to do question number C, define it. Question number E, that is answer the following question. And after that question number F, that is question hot question answer. So you have to do these 3 question in your notebook. आप ये 3 question बेटा notebook में करोगे. What you have to do? You have written keywords in your notebook. After that you will write define it. After that you will write answer the following. And after that you will write hot question answer. And there is a homework that I have given, that you have to draw the diagram. That is on the page number 37. There is a diagram. Okay, on the page number 3737. Okay, you have seen that there are 3 life cycles. That is life cycle of grasshopper, life cycle of butterfly, life cycle of frog. So student, you can draw any one. I am repeating that you will draw any one diagram, neat and clear. Okay, and color it with pencil color. Okay, I hope अब आपको डाउट नहीं होगा कि आपको कितनी डायग्राम बनानी है. You will draw only one diagram. It's depend to you. ये आप पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप कौन सी डायग्राम बनाओगे. Just take, can you take this one or this one or this one? You will draw only one diagram. Okay. So now all lot is clear now. Shall we start our session with sentence of the day? And today's sentence of the day is, and your sentence of the day is, stay positive, work hard and make it happen. Again I am repeating, stay positive, work hard and make it happen. That when you are going to positive and work hard, then it definitely is going to happen good things. Okay, so stay positive, keep working and make things happen. Student, let's revise this thing which have already done. That in textbook exercise chapter number 4, reproduction in animal, on the page number 38. Okay, now fill in the blank by the choosing option. The option is given to you, you have to choose it. Okay, the larva of butterfly is known as caterpillar. Okay, your answer is caterpillar. So fill it with caterpillar. Second, the birds lay their eggs in their nest. Your answer is nest. So fill with nest. The eggs of frog in pond eventually change into, your answer is tadpoles. Okay, you have to choose tadpoles. You have to write here. Animals that give birth to young ones are called mammals. That is called mammals. Okay. Now the next. Next Phillips. That is the dash is a mammal. What is the answer? Bat. Okay. You have to fill it bat. The dash lay eggs like bird, and your answer is insect. Okay. Now the life cycle of butterfly dash come out. Which comes out? Larva. Okay, student. You have to do keywords. Okay. It is written in your book. You have to just copy it. Okay. आपके बुक में ये लिखा हुआ है पेज नंबर 38 में. आपको देखकर आपके नोटबुक में लिखना. ओके बेटा. जस्ट कीवर्ड हैचिंग. व्हाट इज हैचिंग? Emerging of young ones from egg. And what is the meaning of emerging? That is growing. Okay. Incubate. Keeping eggs warm, usually by sitting on them. Okay. Mammals. An animal that give birth to young one and nourish them with milk. Okay. Names. Young ones of the insect resembling the parents. Caterpillar, larva, butterfly. So it is already done. Okay. So revision is completed. Now come to the point. Now the question 1, that is F. And question answer you have to do in your notebook. Okay, student. What is hatching? What is hatching? Your question is. Now I am going to tell you answer. The process in which the young ones come out of the eggs are called hatching. Again I am going to tell it. The process in which the young ones come out of the eggs are called hatching. Done? Okay. Now come to the next. Why do animals reproduce? Why do animals reproduce? And your answer is animals reproduce to leave behind one of their own kind after their death. Okay. Animals reproduce to leave behind one of their own kind after their death. Very easy now? Yes. Now third one. Name 3 stages in the life cycle of grasshopper. You have to tell only the 3 stages. Okay. In the life cycle of grasshopper. Okay. Now the 3 stages in the life cycle of grasshopper are first egg, after that nymphs, then adult. Okay, this is the 3 stages of grasshopper. Okay, student. So, shall we come on next? That is, now next question is, name 3 stages in the life cycle of grasshopper. And what is the answer? The 3 stages in the life cycle of grasshopper are egg, nymphs and adult. Okay, beta? Okay. Now the next. Name 4 stages in the life cycle of butterfly. Name 4 stages in the life cycle of butterfly. And the 4 stages in the life cycle of butterfly are egg, larva, pupa and adult butterfly. Again I am repeating. Name 4 stages in the process of life cycle of butterfly. The 4 stages in the process of life cycle of butterfly are egg, larva, pupa and adult butterfly. Okay, student. So this is question number 4. Shall we come on next? Okay, I am giving you time for writing. So write it. Remember that student that I am also providing you PDF file. ओके आप PDF फाइल से भी आप अपना सारा वर्क कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू गॉट मिस योर वीडियो, इफ योर वीडियो इज नॉट ओपनिंग, सो जस्ट गो थ्रू योर PDF फाइल. PDF फाइल से भी आप ये वर्क कर सकते हैं. ओके, शैल वी कम ऑन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 5. Yes, your question number 5 is, how do animals take care of their young ones? Your question is, how do animals take care? So, your question is, how do animals take care of their young ones? Okay. Now, your answer is, human beings protect their babies, clean them and keep them warm. Okay. Only human beings look after their baby for long time. Just like take example, your mother and father taking care of your. Yes. So, human beings the only who look after their baby for long time. Okay. Now the next. Dogs looks after their puppies. Birds feed and protect their babies. In this way, animals take care of their babies. Okay, student? In this way, animals taking care of their babies. So write it. I am giving you time for writing. Shall we do next? That is hot question. Yes, now next hot question answers. Number 1. Why do a monkey and a dolphin belongs to the same category? So your question is, why do a monkey and a dolphin belong to the same category? This is your question. Okay. And your answer is, monkey and dolphin both gives birth to their young ones. So both of them are mammals. Very easy now. Hot question number 1, that is, why do a monkey and dolphin belong to the same category? And your answer is, monkey and dolphin both gives birth to their young ones. So both of them are mammals. Very easy now. Very good. Now write it. Now come to the next. Why do the fish lay their egg and why? Your question is, where do the fish lay their eggs and why? Again I am repeating question number 2. Where do the fish lay their eggs and why? And your answer is, fish lay eggs in water. Fish lay eggs in water in a large number. Okay, there are so many eggs of fish. Okay, because they are very small in size. They are very small in size. After flowing in running water, only some of remain for the fertilization. Only few of them can fertilize. Okay, student. So this is your hot question answer. Now today we completed chapter number 4, that is reproduction in animals, with all the book exercises and question answer. Okay, student. So now you have to start learning these question answer. Keep learning these question answers. That is very important. After that, in live session, I will tell you the date of test in live session. On Saturday, there is a live classes now. So, I will tell you when we are going to take a test. Okay, student? So, just revise your lessons again and again.